Ballet Barre Preparation Warm-Up, Cecchetti Ballet Grade 2 Syllabus Course, Jacklyn Dougherty. Preparatory warm-up with feet in first position facing the bar. Counts 1 through 2. Introduction, hold the positions. Count 3 to 4, place hands on the bar. On count 1, articulate tendu with right foot devant. On count 2, turn the right leg parallel. On count 3, turn the right leg out. On count 4, close in first position. Counts 5 to 8, repeat with the left leg devant. Counts 1 through 4, repeat with the right leg devant. Slow rise in 2 counts and lower heels in 2 counts. Repeat all starting with left leg. Much love, Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty.